Hi everyone, my name is Megan Orlando, or for right now it's Megan Travis still with Fort Hayes. I live in Lawrence, Kansas with my husband Chris and our dog Rosie. We just got married this past weekend, so trying to get back to normal life now. I teach kindergarten in Eudora, Kansas. It'll be my 6th year teaching this fall. In regards to technology in the classroom, I think a strength of mine is that I am always willing to try new apps or new devices that we might be piloting. I'm not one to just kind of say, no, I don't want to try something new. But along with that, I think a weakness of mine in regards to technology is that I've gotten really comfortable with the technology that I am using in my classroom right now. So I'm not necessarily trying to find new ways that I could be using what I have in different ways. In my classroom right now, what I'm using on a regular basis is my Apple TV. I have an iPad that I use to teach with, and then my MacBook. I use the iPad and the Apple TV component a lot throughout the day. We use that. I have like a whiteboard app where I display the kids' math papers so that we can be on the same page. And then we use my computer and my Apple TV for a lot of the technology that we have through our reading curriculum and our math curriculum. My students in my classroom have access to 7 iPads, and we use those during literacy groups and math groups, and then they can get on those at other times throughout the day. I'm not extremely familiar with Google Apps for Education. As a kindergarten teacher, I haven't really found ways to use things like Google Classroom with them. I've gotten more familiar with Google Classroom and Google Community through taking my grad classes. So I'm looking forward to finding out if there's ways that I could be using some of the Google Apps for Education with my kindergartners. I'm excited for this class, and I hope it's a great few weeks.